Hello guys and welcome again. This is a new video and it's about how you can download Microsoft Office from the official website. Download it directly from Microsoft, no additional software, and you download the full version. As I said, any language you want and any edition you want with all the product. First thing you need to do, go to Google, type Office Deployment Tool, make sure that you are using the Microsoft Office tool. So click download and it will start downloading to your computer. This is the Office Deployment Tool. After that, go to this PC, open C drive, right click, new, and choose folder or new folder, create new folder, name it Office 2000. I will name it Office 2000. Make sure that you are name it the same or give it the same name I give it in this video. After that, go to the download, double click on the Office Deployment Tool or right click on it, run it as administrator. Yes. Accept the license terms, continue. Choose the file that we are or the folder that we are creating before in this video. I name it Office 2000, so choose it, click OK, and it will extract all the file inside it. So let's go to this PC, the folder we created before. Now we are going to remove the configuration office because we are going to create one with the same method. So go to Google, type Office Customization Tool, as you can see in the screen. Open the first website. Make sure that you are using the Microsoft website. You need to know if you are using the 32 or the 64-bit operating system. So in my case, I use 64, so I choose 64 here. After you choosing the system you are using, go and scroll down a little bit. Here you choose the version you want. For me, I will choose the Office Professional Plus volume license. You can choose anything you want, depend on your needs. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find the apps. Here is the apps. You can choose all the apps, or you can choose the apps you need in your PC. In my case, I only need PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Publisher. This is the language. Click on the language, choose your favorite language. You can add other language if you are using 2 language or 3 languages. The installation, leave it as it is, don't change anything. Update and upgrade. Make sure that you are activating the uninstall any MSI versions of Office. This is so important. If there is any old version in your PC, it will uninstall automatically. So we will leave everything as it is. We are not going to change anything, and you click finish in order to finish all the settings. After that, click export. Choose Open XML format, Office Open XML format, OK. Don't change anything, just click I accept, leave the configuration as it is, don't change it, click export, and it will download it to your PC. After that, go copy the file we download, the configuration we download, go to this PC, open C drive, open the file we created before and paste it right here, the configuration, paste it right here. Go to the path and select it, select the path and copy it, copy the path of this file, C Office 2000, copy it. Now go to the CMD, open, go to the search button, type CMD, right click on it, run it as administrator, hit yes, type CD space Ctrl V, hit enter. Now you will type this command I will leave it in the description. Setup.exe configure configuration.xml. Hit enter and it will start downloading Office. As you can see now, it's downloading. If you don't see it in the screen, it will be in the background downloading, so wait a little bit. And now, as you can see, it's downloading and installing Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Now it finished downloading and installing, so close the CMD, hit close, and right now we are able to use all the Microsoft Office, as you can see, for free. This is the whole version. If you need anything else, you can download it with it. As you can see, it's free and you can use it. No need to download any software or anything. You can download it directly from the official website of Microsoft. I wish this video help you. Please, if it help you to download and install Microsoft Office, please subscribe, like and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.